300.
Autopilot disconnected.
200. 100.
What's your minimum?
Continue.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 5.
Spoiler. Reverse. No decel.
Manual braking.
Check. $70 knots.
Chiedigli se possiamo prendere il Delta Bravo.
Prendere il Delta Bravo la 5.
Sì, va benissimo il Delta Bravo, poi Whisky Tango per il 625.
Delta Bravo Whisky Tango per il 625, grazie.
Giusto una conferma, anche secondo voi è buona la braking action?
Sì.
Sì, confermiamo, ottima. Braking action good.
Grazie mille di nuovo e un auguri.
Clear right.
Check, the left side is clear.
Flaps.
Retracted.
Spoilers.
Disarm
APU.
is starting.
Radar.
Off.
Predictive windshield system.
Off.
After landing checklist completed.
Thank you. Parking brake is set.
Pressure check.
The fuel bleed is on. Engine number 1. Engine number 2. Parking checklist
Parking checklist, APU bleed.
is on.
Engines.
Off.
Seatbelts.
Off.
External lights.
Set.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Parking brake and shocks.
Parking brake is set. Shocks are in place.
Consider every rain. Parking check is